When it comes to predictability, one really important thing to keep in mind is that predictability counters stress and anxiety. So whenever your dog can predict what's about to happen or they know what to expect of a situation, that's going to help them feel a little bit less anxious. So the predictor cues are basically letting your dog know what, how, and when something is going to happen so they can let their guard down as much as possible, especially those other times. Knowing what to expect relieves a lot of generalized anxiety. Okay, so we're going to be telling your dog what's coming. We're not going to be lying to them. Okay, it's really important that you don't lie. You don't tell them one thing's going to happen and then have another happen, right? None of that. And then we want to follow up with as much choice and agency as we can to give them their control back, their sense of control. So you want to determine your predictor cues. So you want to have some body part predictor cues. Most people like to have that. And then also sensation ones. The pattern looks like this. You give the cue, whatever the body part is, let's say. So in this case, it was mouth. So I say mouth, and then I do the thing, which was to touch her mouth at whatever level she's kind of ready for. And then I give the treat, right? So give the cue, just like anything else. Do the thing. Okay, so there's the trigger. And then the reinforcement comes after that. What I don't want to do is give a treat and then follow up with doing something she's uncomfortable with, and then maybe even offer a treat again, because what I don't want to do is create a pattern of her thinking, if I go for that treat, then you're going to do the scary thing. And yeah, I might still get another scary thing at the end, but I don't want the giving of the treat to predict the scary thing that's going to happen. What we're really aiming for is to be able to give them some probability that, you said mouth, so I know that you're coming for my mouth. Or you said ears, so I know you're coming for my ears. If I say ears and then grab a foot to do a nail trim, that's not predictable, right? So we want to make sure that we're cueing the thing that we actually mean to do. And that's what I mean by no lies.